Welcome, and following is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to record screen. So, get started, you can pull down the notification panel and you will find the toggle right over here, the screen with like a camera icon. You can simply tap on it and it will automatically start recording once you tap on actually start. So there we go. And you can see that it's recording now, and you can do whatever you want right now, and everything will be recorded. You can also see like where you're touching, that little white thing that is following my finger. That is basically your where you're touching on the screen, and that is also being recorded. And once you're done, you can tap on end. The footage gets saved to your camera roll, so we can go into our gallery. And let's go to albums and screen right here, and you have this over here. So you can tap on it and it should automatically play, I think. Yep, there it is. So it's playing right now. So you can see where my finger is right now when I was pulling it down. So yeah, that's basically how you would use this. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.